Quick guide: Mac Mini 2024 fan replacement in 1 minute. Prepare AT5 Torx at 1.8 Nm, spudger, Phillips, and ESD strap. Power off, flip the Mac Mini, and remove the bottom cover screws. Disconnect the power cable and carefully unlatch the fan connector. Unscrew the 3 fan mounts and lift the old fan straight up and out. Compare connectors, align the new fan, and ensure airflow orientation matches. Seat the new fan and tighten screws to 1.8 Nm in a star pattern. Reconnect the fan cable until it clicks and reattach the logic board cover. Replace the bottom cover and snug screws evenly. Do not over-tighten. Power on, hold Option and run Apple Diagnostics or a fan test app. Confirm the fan spins smoothly and noise is minimal at idle. If unsure, contact Apple Service. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.